Hey, what's up, Theta Network holders? So this is live price prediction of Theta coin, my brother, and the current condition is very good, my friend, of Theta Network, especially from previous 20 days, my brother. All currencies will moving upward, and I love, my brother, the Theta Network because it's a very good coin, my brother, and definitely every day Theta Network will starting moving upward. But remember, my brothers, to in those days, there is a chance to the CEO of Theta Network will collaborate, my friend, with a lot of companies. So this is possible. The CEO, my friends, personally said it on Twitter. To upcoming days, there is a chance to we will hit 10 USD dollar. If they just only get a 20% profit, so I will give you guarantee to they will easily hit 10 USD dollar, my brother. And the current condition is very good, as you can see here, 25.98% profit just in only in last one month, my brother. From especially from August 22, July 22 to August 11, they will completely moving upwards. So therefore, my brother, I am 100% sure to upcoming time also there is a possible to Theta Network will give you a profit now. Please don't miss this chance, take a risk and get a profit. I am 100% sure to they will make you millionaire now. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.